Look at that! iSteady Pro 3! Off you go. Brand new, vacuum sealed. So before I break the plastic, let me explore what's on the box. Okay, it's the iSteady Pro 3, a 3-axis handheld stabilizing gimbal for action camera. So this is not a smartphone gimbal. At the back, compatible with GoPro Hero 87654 and other action cams with similar size. And feature-wise, it's got 600 degrees rotation inception mode. Now, why 600 degrees? Why can't it be 360 degrees? Splash proof. Is it true? I'm gonna test. Camera control and charging. Motion time lapse. Okay, now let's look at the side. Now, they say, make the moment, enjoy it. Okay, then on the other side, we have some QR codes. Okay, cutter. Put the box aside. So, inside the box is a case. Let's unzip it. Ooh. The user manual, different languages. That's why it's so thick. And then we have a mini tripod, a USB to micro USB cable, and then what we have here, micro USB charging cable for the camera, USB Type-C charging cable for the camera. Okay, the last one, the iSteady Pro 3. On the first touch, the iSteady Pro 3 feels good. On this side is solid plastic. From here to here, it's grippy rubber. The handle is curved on both sides, so it feels comfortable and will not slide down a sweaty palm. On top, we have the action camera holder. Unscrew the 2 thumb screws on top. To loosen the bracket wide enough for your action cam to slot in. Make sure the camera is pushed all the way in, and then tighten the holder thumb screws. Behind the camera holder is the Wi-Fi on-off switch and the Wi-Fi indicator. Next to the Wi-Fi indicator is a mini USB port to power your camera. There are 2 more USB ports on the handle. A micro USB port for charging the internal battery of the gimbal. A regular USB port to charge your phone. So this guy doubles up as a portable power bank. On top of the USB ports, we have the 1/4-inch screw thread to attach accessories. And there's one more below to attach your tripod. Behind the handle is a trigger. And on the other side, the power indicator. In the front panel, we have the joystick, the mode indicators, the Bluetooth indicator, the mode switch button, roll slider, and the power button, which I can't resist but to turn it on. Just press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Oh wait, the user manual says, charge the gimbal fully before using it for the first time.